Hey, this is Tony. I'm co-owner of Super Thing Coffee in Austin, Texas. Today we're going to talk about making cold brew at home. We're going to be brewing with one of our favorite cold brewers, the BREW. Today we're going to be brewing with our ETHIOPIAN natural process. These are the things you're going to need for brewing with the BREW. We do a hot and cold process, so you'll need a pour-over kettle and you'll need cold water. Use filtered water for your best results. You'll need a kitchen scale as well. So first we're going to put this on the scale. You've removed the lid. Here is the reusable filter. Sits like that. You'll want your water between 205 and 195. You'll need ground coffee. We use medium coarse grind, similar to a Chemex, a little bit coarser than your normal drip coffee. So first, you'll tare your scale, add your coffee. This is 100 grams. What we're going to do next is do a hot balloon. This will be 150 grams of hot water. And you're going to want to pour slow because this can overflow very quickly, so just be patient with it and let it fully drain after it's done. You can either choose to pour your cold water directly over the grounds, or you can remove the filter, set it aside for a second, and fill the rest of the way with cold water. Drain pretty nicely there. Go ahead and tare again. And you want 850 grams of cold water. That is going to make a full liter. Go ahead and add this back. Stick this in the fridge for 12 hours. So this is really nice to do the night before. Do it at 9 a.m. tomorrow, pull it. You'll pull it out of the fridge, compost your grounds, and you've got cold brew.